Hello, my name is Dr. Sara Abbot. I have a private practice in West Los Angeles. I really enjoy working with adolescents, and I'm currently running a teen group for girls, and so that they can help encourage one another and learn how to deal with some of the problems that they deal with on a daily basis, and really learn how to connect with each other. In fact, I'm also working outside of the office on a project for a school overseas and helping them determine some psychological components that can be included in the curriculum. As a therapist, I like to be very interactive with my clients. I like to create an atmosphere that feels really warm and inviting, and at the same time I like to challenge them to find and discover new goals and learn more things about themselves, and at the same time be able to reflect on some of their past experiences and how that impacts who they are today and what direction they'd like to go. When I taught 4th grade, I was able to be extremely creative with the kids, and that helped shape who I am as a therapist today. I'm able to be creative with adults, with teenagers, with children, depending on who's in the room. I can shape the therapy to match the needs of the client. Primarily with children and teens, I'll use art therapy as well as play therapy, which allows a different modality for them to communicate their emotions and whatnot. And from the art therapy and play therapy, there is some verbal communication, but they really enjoy the opportunity to express themselves in another way. And with adults, I use a psychodynamic orientation. It helps me understand the path that led people to who they are today, and it helps the client explore their life and how it shapes who they are today. Prior to becoming a therapist, I was able to actually live in a number of cities across the United States, as well as travel overseas. I think these experiences have really helped shape who I am today as a therapist, and helps me be extremely comfortable with a wide variety of populations in the room. Outside of my work as a private practitioner, I've been able to work as a consultant with some writers within the entertainment industry, which I've really enjoyed. I'm able to meet with them and discuss their character development for their scripts. If my husband were to describe who I am, I would say what would first come to mind for him is that I'm extremely outgoing, and also I adapt well to new opportunities and new environments. And I love to throw myself into new situations and kind of learn as I go. I think this really helps as a therapist, because I never know who's going to walk in the door next and what story they're going to bring. And it's really exciting for me to be a part of this process and to help them understand their own process.